Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter split screen to have different apps at once on your screen on DELL 7320 Detachable. So I'm gonna open two apps, or maybe four. Let's open Microsoft Edge and the File Explorer. And also I'm gonna open Settings, and let's open another window of the File Explorer. So press and hold, open another window. Okay, and now to enter split screen, you can just drag the window, and then at the top displays this bar. You can drag it up and then drag over the option that you like. For example, to put it on the left side of the display, then it will ask me what to put on the right side. For example, this window. And now I'm in the split screen. I can also click on this border to adjust the size like that. You can also, for example, put them in the 4 windows mode. And then I can choose File Explorer, Settings, File Explorer, and I'm gonna put this one here. And now they are 4 of them. And I don't think I can. Oh, I actually can adjust the size of them as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.